The Department of Defense has issued an evil jack-o'-lantern alert for the United States, effective until April 1st. Evil jack-o'-lanterns probably on marijuana are going around the entire country and shooting people with AK-47s and machine guns. Are we all fucked? Probably. This is fucking scary. It even has people like George Bush saying,
"Wow, this is so freaking bad. It's almost worse than the 2010 Haiti earthquake. Or worse than the earthquake Bill Clinton caused in the 1990s.
The states with the most killer jack-o'-lanterns are Nebraska, Wisconsin, Illinois, and Oklahoma. We are now receiving word that they are killing people because they are pissed about Pizza Hyper being banned from social media for pornography and nudity. LOL. Anyway, as I was saying, wait a minute, why do I hear footsteps? Uh-oh. 187 killer jack-o'-lanterns just entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not shove the machine gun up my